How to replace the motherboard of 24-slot station. First, find the back cover on the back of the station. Take out the key that matches our station. Turn off all power. Remove the module. Unplug this power cord, then remove all motor cables. Open the black small buckles on both sides of the indicator light ribbon cable to remove it. Unscrew the 16 screws on the motherboard. Remove the motherboard, and replace it with a new one. Next, connect the indicator light ribbon cables in order, making sure to press the buckles on both sides back and install the module. Connect the motor cables in order, with white on the outside and red on the inside. Compact them. Connect the power cord, turn on all power sources, and finally lock the back cover. Wait for the QR code to light up, and you can use it normally.